Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today, let's continue the learning about Mandarin consonants. The first one for today's lesson looks very familiar, right? It's just like the English letter N. We learned that before. It is N, N, N. But this one, when we put it at the end of the consonant, for example, it turned to be this pronunciation. An. In order to make this pronunciation correctly, you can put your top of your tongue get close to the back of your top teeth. This is your roof and this is your top teeth. When you pronounce the an sound, it turns to be like this. An. Perfect. Would you like to have a try? An. Very good. The next pronunciation for today's lesson is a sound. The sound always connected with other pronunciation, and you can find that at the end of a pronunciation. For example, when the sound plus with a turn to be When you pronounce this one, you can feel the back of your tongue get close to the soft roof. You can feel like your nose is buzzing. Can you get it? Would you like to have a try, please? Very good. The last sound looks very familiar, right? At the beginning of the pinyin, it turned to be zh, but it can also fall in with some other pronunciation. If you can find a R at the end of a pinyin, it reminds you to roll your tongue at the end of the pronunciation. Sounds like this. R, and then roll your tongue. R. Perfect. One more time. R. Can you have a try, please? R. Very good. Okay, so now it's today's challenge time. Would you like to try to pronounce this pinyin here? N plus in will be nin. Perfect. And with the second tongue, how do we say that? Nian. Very good. Nian in Chinese, which means you, but it is a respected you. When you want to mention other people older than you or you respect, you can use the nian rather than ni. For example, say hello to your grandpa. We will use this way. 您好. One more time. 您好. Hello. 您好, 爷爷. Hello, grandpa. Get it? I hope you enjoyed the lesson today, and I will see you next time. 再见.